When it comes to home improvements, window installation is a critical aspect that can significantly impact both the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your property. In Lafayette, where temperatures can range from chilly winters to sweltering summers, ensuring your windows are installed correctly is essential to maintaining comfort and reducing energy bills. While hiring professionals is often the best choice, it's important to be aware of common mistakes that can occur during window installation. Avoiding these errors will help you achieve the best results. Choosing the wrong type of window. Selecting the wrong type of window for your home can lead to a host of issues. It's tempting to choose windows based on appearance or price, but you must also consider functionality. For instance, in Lafayette, where weather conditions can vary, double-pane windows with good insulation properties are a better choice than single-pane windows. Choosing the wrong material, such as opting for wood in areas with high humidity, can lead to rotting or mold growth over time. Be sure to consult with experts who can help guide you toward windows that will stand up to Lafayette's weather and suit your needs. Improper measurements. One of the most common mistakes made during window installation is inaccurate measurements. Even a small error can result in windows that don't fit properly, leading to drafts, leaks, and a compromised aesthetic. Before installation, ensure that the window dimensions are measured correctly by a professional. A poorly fitted window will not only cause discomfort but could also void warranties or lead to higher long-term costs. Skipping the inspection of the window frame. A successful window installation starts with a solid frame. Many homeowners focus on the new windows but neglect to inspect the window frame itself. If the existing frame is damaged, rotted, or misaligned, no matter how good your new windows are, they won't perform effectively. Before installation begins, make sure the frame is in good condition. If repairs or adjustments are necessary, it's best to address them before placing your new windows. Ignoring proper sealing. Proper sealing around the window is crucial for insulation and preventing drafts. Many homeowners overlook this step, thinking that a window's inherent design will prevent air leaks. In reality, an improperly sealed window can significantly reduce energy efficiency and contribute to higher heating and cooling costs. Ensure the installation team uses high-quality weather stripping and caulking to seal the edges around the window. DIY installation without the right experience. Installing windows is a complex task that requires knowledge and expertise. While it might be tempting to try a DIY approach to save money, improper installation can lead to serious long-term problems, such as poor insulation, water damage, or security vulnerabilities. If you aren't experienced in window installation, hiring a qualified professional is the safest option. A certified expert will not only ensure the job is done correctly but also guarantee that it meets local building codes. Neglecting to account for weather conditions. In Lafayette, the weather can be unpredictable, so timing your window installation is crucial. If you install windows during extremely hot or cold weather, the materials may not properly seal or could expand, contract, leading to future issues. Ideally, schedule the installation during mild weather conditions. Moreover, window installers should be prepared for sudden weather changes by using temporary coverings to protect your home during the process. Skipping the cleanup process. Once the installation is complete, a professional window installer will conduct a thorough cleanup to ensure that no debris or construction waste is left behind. Failure to clean up can result in dirt buildup around the window frame, and debris can even obstruct the functionality of the window over time. Always ask your installer about their cleanup process to ensure your home is left spotless. Overlooking the warranty and maintenance requirements. Many homeowners forget to ask about the warranty and the specific maintenance requirements of their new windows. While most windows come with warranties that cover defects, neglecting to follow maintenance guidelines can void your warranty or reduce the lifespan of your windows. Make sure to ask your installer about the recommended maintenance routine and any actions that could potentially damage your windows. Conclusion. Installing windows in Lafayette is an important investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. To ensure the best outcome, it's essential to avoid common mistakes such as choosing the wrong window type, incorrect measurements, or improper sealing. By working with a professional installer, paying attention to details like frame condition and weather conditions, and maintaining your windows properly, you can enjoy a hassle-free window installation experience that will enhance your home for years to come.